Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today, this is the Friday freebie. Yes, every Friday, once a week, on my channel, you can get your hands on some fantastic free printables for you guys to download, print and play. Now, this page here has been designed from my VIP Lounge membership for the month of June. In case you are new to my channel, the VIP Lounge is simply a membership. With only £2, you get your hands on some fantastic goodies. Before I'll tell you how to download this, let me showcase everything that you get when you join in June. The main collection is called Under the Sea. So this collection here is inspired by the Nautical world of sea. There's a lot like creatures and vessels, etc. So just going to show you page by page. This one has got 2 pages here. This is one of my favorite. It reminds me of like Atlantis, like underwater sea world full of like flowers, etc. Another page here. This you can use it as a whole page with like maps and vessels. I love that with the light, little lighthouse here and the water. It's all blend. It's all designed to be mixed and matched. Love that. There's like a jeweled creature. So you've got the shell here and the jellyfish. Another one here with the turtle and little seal. Another one with the vessels. So again, as you can see, there's a lot like brown and blues color palette. Again, another 2 sections that you can use as a one piece, or if you make a journal, it could be like a cover, so front and back. Another one here with the fish and the seahorse. That's it. So that's the main collection. You also get 1 page of bookmarks. So these are bookmarks, but also been designed to be tags. Again, it's all mix and match, so it's 4 sections that you can cut off together. Also, all my VIP members get a letter gift box. So this month is the last letter, which is letter Z, and we have completed the entire alphabet. So you get a page with the instruction. This is very easy to pull together. So you've got the main letter, which is the Z, and then you've got the 2 tabs on the side and the 2 tabs to go on the front, on the top here. And then of course you get the Z, which is the backwards. And because I had this free page here, I thought, am I going to give you an extra an extra gift, which is a pillow box, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's all put together. That's it. It's quite big, and then of course it stands on its own. All my 3D letters stand on their own. It's fantastic. I really like it. And this is the pillow box, so it opens like that. Okay, let me show you all the alphabet that we have done so far. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different. Depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R, S. Lovely, like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V. And then letter W, X, N, and last letter Z. All the alphabet is now available on my website if you want to purchase the entire letter. So from letter A to letter Z, of course, my VIP members have got them for free. Every month, you also get a digital magazine. And every month it changes. Like this month, the theme is food. So the magazine that you get is the Good Food magazine from the BBC, and you got 73 recipes. So as you can see, I'm just gonna give you a quick flip through. So you get loads and loads of inspiration, but also you can print these papers and use in your journal for mixed medias. And of course, you can also follow the recipes if you, like myself, you like to cook and you like good food. Last but not least, this month, every month you get a little gift from me. And this month, the gift is an additional pack, which is called Under the Sea Ephemera Pack. So there's 4 pages that have been designed to go with the main pack. And I got an idea what to do with this. So this is a section of 4, as you can see, 8 different backgrounds. I got an idea how to use them, and you're going to love it. Section of tags to go with it. Also 2 scallop envelopes. So if you can cut them, that's the side tab, that's the top, and then you fold them, becomes envelopes. And then on here you got a large secretarial pocket. So what you do, you cut this, you can put it together by folding on the tabs front and side, or you can cut it and put this on your page of your journal, and then you've got 4 slots. Okay, so again, it's been designed to be used together like that, so you get 4 slots on the front and 4 slots on the back, or as I said, you can cut it and glue it on your journal. Okay, so you now saw everything. Let me share how do you download these and some more fabulous other freebies. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers. Okay, so I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Because these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now, I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, You get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're gonna move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalog. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. That's it, guys. Going to go big thumbs up if you like this video. Every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification, so it's really, really much appreciated. Have a fantastic day. Don't forget to join my VIP lounge. It's so well worth it, and I'm looking forward to send you all the papers. Have a wonderful crafty weekend, and until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.